I'll teach you 10 fruit in Cantonese. So I think our first one is apple. It's called 苹果. Can you repeat it with me? 苹果. You know, it's a fresh fruit that we eat every day, like all year long. One is strawberry. 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 Some Cantonese from English, but this one is a Cantonese from English because sita is straw and belly is berry. Strawberry. Strawberry. Okay. Repeat it with me again. Strawberry. Strawberry. Then a third one is banana. Hung-ju. Banana in Cantonese is hung-ju. Can you repeat it with me again? Hung-ju. Hung-ju. It's a nice fresh fruit also. So I think our fourth one is watermelon. 西瓜. Watermelon in Cantonese is 西瓜. 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 Can you repeat it with me? 西瓜. 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 Okay, I think now our next one is grape. Hai-ji. Hai-ji. Tai-ji. Can you say it with me? Tai-ji. Tai-ji. Now it's time for our sixth one. Another one is peach. 水蜜桃. Can you repeat it for me? 水蜜桃. 水蜜桃. Everyone. And then our next one is pineapple. 菠蘿. 菠蘿. Then our next one is mango. Mango. So it's actually the sixth one is cherry. Cherry.
That is from English.
Cherry. Cherry is very fresh and also one summer fruit.
From English.
And also
There's
another fruit from English. It's cherry. Cherry. It almost sounds like the C, H, and E. The cherry.